In this video, we are going to talk about triangle congruence, postulate and theorems once again. This is from the review paper on your worksheet, and this is page number 20. And I will go over number 26 and 29 and 32 in this video. So let's look at first column questions. Question number 26. Given problem, given condition, I is the midpoint of the segment ME and SL. So this is the midpoint of ME. From that sentence, I can put the notations like that on the figure. So visualize that, okay? Put a notation. I is the midpoint of the SL. So let's do the second line here, segment, and let's say these two are cut by the midpoint and equal length. So that is the notation in the diagram. And now let's see. Is there any common thing or hidden clue to describe? Yes. Because of this angle forms in X shape, that's going to be congruent angles, right? What is that angle notation for? They are vertical angles. Vertical angles are congruent, okay? So by the vertical angles congruence theorem, we can say they are congruent to each other. So this is the continuing from the page number 19. The direction for question A was, two triangles, are they congruent? So we will say, yes, they are congruent to each other. Why? Because of side angle side. We see the name of the parts from one triangle, and this name side angle side should work on the next one, okay? Because you are talking about two triangles congruence. Side angle side, side angle side. So that is the reasoning. Side angle side triangle congruence postulate. Now let's name the triangles. What is the name of the triangle? So let's start with IMS, and I go with IMS, and corresponding part for M is E. So I need to write IEL, right? Order is important, so try to have the same order of the names of the triangles. All right, now let's look at number 29. And let's read directions before we do anything, okay? Using the given postulate or theorem, tell which part of the pair of triangles should be shown congruent. So let's use the given condition, okay? So let's say side angle side. So from this will be side, and this is angle. So what would be the another side I need to describe? This must be the side, right? And let's use the other triangle. This is side, this is angle, and this would be the side for the second triangle, right? So I need to answer which part is needed to prove congruence of two triangles. Am I writing triangle congruence statement here? No, that is not the question, right? I'm not writing this triangle congruence statement in this one. I need to provide another extra reasoning. So that will be segment AE. It must be congruent to segment DB or BD, which would be better. Shorter one here, so BD would be better, right? Okay, either way, fine, but try to use the corresponding parts from the congruent triangle. Next question, 32, same idea. So use angle side this time. This is angle, this is angle. I need side. Which side do I have to mention it? If I go with the other one, this will be angle, and this will be angle. And this is not angle, side angle, okay? This is not angle, side angle. So I should not select the part in the middle. I should not select this one. I should not choose this one, okay? So if you choose that as a third condition, and we go with the angle, side angle, so avoid using those parts. So what would you like to use? Can I go with the PS? Sure. Which is corresponding to PS from the other triangle? RQ, I agree. So if I go with the PS and I must say RQ, is there any other option to say angle side? Yes, because we have three sides and I should not choose this one, so I can go with this, right? Or this. So it is okay to use that. So that will be, let's say TS is congruent to TQ. Okay, so you have two options. Also, you can write backwards, so I can check many options for the answer, possible answers. But you should not choose the included side to use angle side here, because this side is not from the included part. Okay, so we have two options other than the blue part here.